I'm here live on site on a bathroom renovation in behind me. There's a shower stall, and I'm here with Christian from Size Property Services. He's back with us finishing out another part of a home renovation that we're working on. And one of the questions we get asked quite often is, you know, there's different contractors out there, there's different ways of renovating a shower stall or a bathroom. What do I need to know, René? Well, today Christian is here to tell us, give us some ideas of what to look for or how to set up and take care of your bathroom renovation. So Christian, what are a couple things that people need to know?
Some of the most important things that should be looked at is, do you need a bathroom renovation or do you want a bathroom renovation? What that means. This particular bathroom that we're standing in front of needed a renovation. As you will see from the pictures, it was not installed properly at the time of being built from the builder and the contractors, which caused the mold and deterioration of the substrate, i.e. The floor.
Wow.
So as you can see in the pictures, this needed to get done, as it compromised the structural integrity of the floor. So one day while you're taking a shower, you might pop into the first floor and say hi to your wife.
So as you can see from the photos that popped up, this was happening behind the wall, behind the scene. So the client had no idea that this mold, that this softening, deteriorating around the shower wall was happening because there was no water membrane put in by the builder. What a shocker. What else should people know when they're doing a home reno?
One thing you should definitely always keep in mind is plan for something bigger.
Wow.
Plan for something bigger, because as we see more and more, you don't find out until, unfortunately, it's too late once you've peeled back the walls. At that stage you're already pot committed.
So that's another point. So what Christian is talking about, be aware that it could take, it could be a not just a simple cut and paste job. Be aware that things could take a little bit longer, or it could be a little bit more involved than you had originally thought. Not all the time, but we want to do a thorough job. I noticed you're in a special suit, Christian. Tell us about that suit and why it's so important.
So this suit I use when I spray foam. Obviously it keeps my garments and myself clean.
Right.
So the wall behind us here will receive an application of spray foam, because right behind that is actually the exterior of the home.
Wow.
So I always opt for closed cell spray foam. It's a lot better than the average insulation and vapor barrier that a lot of contractors would opt for, because it is easier on a budget, but I always opt for quality and longevity.
So there you go. The reason I brought up that point is just to isolate and show you that fact that Christian is dressed head to toe in the proper gear. His crew is here on site, dressed accordingly and appropriately. They're taking all of the precautions with their job, which means they're not cutting corners. They're being very thorough and very detailed in their job. That avoids for heartache and pain down the road. The last thing we want, especially as the real estate agent, is to hear a renovation was done only to hear it has issues down the road for the next homeowner, the next client, or worse, for yourself, that you spent this money to get the work done and it wasn't done properly. So just as René and Christian from Size Property Services, all of my contact information is down below. If you'd like to reach out to me, if you'd like to get more information from Christian and his team, if you have a home renovation of any type and you'd like to get a quote, or you'd like to get what Christian's opinion and have his crew come over and give you an idea of what to do, by all means reach out to me at the contact information below and I'll connect you. Thanks for watching our video.